GPT for Sheets is an AI writer for Google Sheets and Google Docs. So it enables you to use the ChatGPT directly in Google Sheets and Google Docs. It is built on OpenAI ChatGPT and GPT-3 model. You can use this for sort of tasks on text writing, editing, extracting, cleaning, translating, summarizing, and so on. So in order to get this, you will simply type in Google this GPT for Sheets, and you will see here an extension which is available. So you will just install this extension. Once you have installed it, you will simply open Sheets or Docs. So I'll be using this for Sheets. So I'll be opening here a blank sheet. And if you go here into extensions, GPT for Sheets and Docs, simply go here, set API, get your API key. So if you are already logged in, so I am already logged in with my user ID. So the moment you are logged in with user ID, so you will be able to get the API key. You will simply paste API key here and then save it. The moment API key is available, now this function will start working here. The function name is GPT, so you can access that function with equal to sign and GPT. So if you see here, there are various functions which are available. So it is GPT map, GPT tag, GPT code, GPT edit, GPT fill, list, tree, and so on. Any prompt that you like. For example, I'll say, so if I use this prompt, so I can use GPT. So you can see here a nice catchy title is already provided by ChatGPT. Write a YouTube video description to write a video description for. So I can also use GPT underscore tag to create the tags for YouTube videos. So I'll be using this particular line here. So there are various other features which are available. So my prompt here will be 5 ideas about digital marketing. And here I'll be using GPT underscore list. And then I'll be using this particular line as a prompt. And now you can see here 5 ideas about digital marketing. GPT underscore table. This is very useful. I'll use this 5 ideas about ChatGPT, and now you can see here it will make a table. Now I have created a list of these products and 2 items are having description. So you can type the description in this way, the way I have typed, and the list of products. So you'll simply use the GPT underscore fill function and choose these as an example and the remaining lines and enter it here, and that's it. You will get the description of all remaining items in one go. So this was all about GPT for Sheets. Subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. See you in next video. Take care and goodbye.